Yesterday I was messing around with ice and I decided to use my Chase Sapphire. This one is the Chase Sapphire Prefer card. And then I noticed the edge is start chipping. It started right there. And then I thought, what's inside looks like? So this is what the inside looks like of your Chase Sapphire Prefer card. So you can see the number is engraved onto this card, and so also the CVC code, it's printed to here, it's not engraved. So and also over here is your chip. As you can see, this chip is pretty much melted in here. As you can see, I believe also has a NFC, and that's what those little straggly line is. So you can see I can split it open, and believe it or not, I bet you this card still works. Still work as a credit card because let's say, because you won't be able to swipe it because this magnetic stripe is it's on the back of the sticker thingamajigger. But this technically are still able to dip, so chip only. You cannot swipe anymore, and you could also use as a NFC card. So that's basically what it's inside of Chase Sapphire metal card. I want to see what's inside a Apple card. So there you go. Look how thin this thing is. That's probably why I decided to use the chip and ice with it. So interesting. You can't really see the dotted line on the front. Why is it? Only on the back. I'm gonna test it out, see if the NFC still works.